Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to interface Arduino to a 16x2 LCD on breadboard. So first of all we'll see the pin configuration of the LCD. So these are the pins of the LCD. There are total 16 pins, and in this table we can see that the functions of the different pins are written along with the pin number and with the label. Like first one is the ground pin, the second one is supply voltage which is labeled at VCC. Third one is the contrast adjustment which is labeled as VEE. Similarly we can see the rest of the pins. Now we will move on to see the connections. So this is how we will make the connections on the breadboard, and I'll explain the connections here itself and also while doing on the breadboard. See, this 5 volts is connected to this point, and this ground is connected to this point. So first of all we need to have the basic knowledge of breadboard before proceeding. So for the basic knowledge you can refer to the video which I have uploaded earlier, that is designing of the AC to DC converter. In that I have thoroughly explained the concept of breadboard, how this holes are short circuited, in which manner, horizontal or vertical. So you can see that in the link description. Similarly, first of all we need to keep this potentiometer here. Potentiometer has 3 legs. The first leg is connected to the supply, the second one is connected to the ground, and the middle one, which is the variable one, is connected to the third pin of the LCD. The first pin of LCD is connected to ground, the second pin is connected to the supply, and the fourth pin is connected to the 12th pin of Arduino board, as you can see here, and fifth pin is connected to ground, and sixth pin is connected to this 11th pin of the Arduino board. 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th we need not to connect anything, and 11th pin is connected to 5th pin of the Arduino board, 12th one with the 4th one, and 13th one with the 3rd, and 12th one with 2nd. And this second last pin is connected to supply, and the last pin is connected to the ground. This all things is mentioned here in words also. You can refer it for further clarification, and you will better understand this when I will make this circuit on the breadboard. So now we will proceed to the breadboard connections. So first of all we will fix this LCD board on the breadboard, and then I will fix this potentiometer here. Now what we have to do, we'll take the 5 volt supply from the Arduino and give it here, and ground and give it to the second line. Now connect the one leg of potentiometer to the supply, and connect other leg to ground. Now connect the center one to the 3rd pin. Now connect the first pin to ground. Second pin to supply. Now connect 4th pin to the 12th pin. Connect the fifth pin to the ground. Now connect 6th pin to the 11th pin of Arduino. And now I have to connect the rest of the 4 pins. So now we will connect the 11th, 12th and 13th, 14th pin to the pins of Arduino, that is 5, 4, 3, 2 respectively. Now I will connect the 15th pin to supply and 16th pin to ground. So now I'll give supply to Arduino. In Arduino I have already dumped one code. So now I'll give the supply. So now I have connected this, and you can see here that it's displaying projects made easy. So I wrote the code for this only. If you want to display something else, then you have to write another code for that one. And for coding part you can refer to my next video, which I'll upload after some days. And please like, subscribe and share for future updates.